Hey friends, I'm Broccoli. Welcome to KidDraws Fun. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color a Christmas tree. In Spanish, it's árbol de Navidad. So first I'm going to start the top with this. And then I add a zigzag. I finished that zigzag. Wait, now let's make another zigzag after Christmas tree. I finished that one. Right now I make zigzags again. Looks like a dress. And I draw another one here. And then another one here for our Christmas tree. So I make like this. I did it! Right now I'm drawing one more. And then we're making the part top. Right now I make like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Let's move. Right now I draw the stem of our Christmas tree. Is this stick. If you to make it smaller, okay, you want it small. Small is fine. Okay, let's make it small. I just drew it like this. There you go, I finished that. It's there. Perfect. Right now I draw like a rug. Okay, right now we finished that part. Let's draw the star of our Christmas tree. I'm putting the star like this. Okay, right now, let's draw some Christmas presents. So I start here. Here. Right now, let's make the wrapping paper. The bow. I finished that present. Let's draw another one here. This is the lid. This is wrapping paper. This is the bow of our present. I finished those two presents in the background. On the right. It's time to make the ones on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 3, and we need 4. We got 3. This top of the tree. We need to make this of our presents. 1, 2, 3. We finished our Christmas tree. We still need last thing. Oh no, we forgot something. The bells. Bell here. Bell here. 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 Another bell here. Bell here. More bells. Bells here. Okay, I finished our Christmas tree. Right now, let's color the star. So I use yellow. Just the same. Maybe also be black and a Christmas tree. About this one. I'm using different colors too. I can use this one in black. Get lighter. Like this. And shadow light. Of our rug. We still need to color the presents. So I use light green for the bow and dark light green. Okay, right now let's color the bow with brown and red. And right now let's color this part with orange. let's color the tree with different colors. This one's very soft. This is very soft light green. This side first. Let's color. We're done with that part. Wait, we still need to color more the presents. So I use orange for this present and red for this one. We still need to color the rug. Great. It's fine with the rug. Let's color more presents. Oh no, we still need to finish red. These are all our presents. Mine is red. This one's are Maya's. This one's are mine. This one's gonna be red. And the bow is going to be mint. Maybe dark. This is going to be aquamarine. And mine, I'm using orange. And aquamarine. And for the other, right now we still need to color it realistic. This tree is realistic, and we still need to color it green. It's realistic. So I use this red for the spell. More light green here. This one's gonna be really soft. We still need to color it all. We need to finish our green. It's really cool. It's turning to realistic. Need to color the mat a little bit aqua. And yellow. Whoa! We finished our Christmas tree. Yay! We're done! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.